Well, good morning and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota. Today I'm going to show you a car that will be absolutely fantastic to go for a cruise in on a Friday night or a Saturday night or go to your local car show. I'll give you details in a moment. Good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we are going to tell you all about a 1955 Chevrolet Bel-Air Resto-Mod car. The word Resto-Mod basically means it has some updated components to it that are far from what it was when it originally was built. This particular car has a nice running 350 Chevrolet, some nice performance options, turbo 400, and then it's got all the extra accessories that many of us like today, that including power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Even though it's convertible, still a nice feature to have on one of these cars. Beautiful paint. The quality of the paint is exquisite. Every fit is just as good as it could be, probably better than the way the factory had it. The chrome has been all redone. The bright work is in very, very nice condition. And I'll tell you what, it would be hard pressed to find a nicer one anywhere in the country, but we have it right here in Rogers, Minnesota. Not only does it have the chrome rally wheels with the radial tires, but the interior has been all redone. We've got tilt steering, we've got different gauges with all this, so you know how the car is performing at all times. Beautiful power top, nice trunk detail, and everything about the car someone has touched with a little bit of loving care. So if you're looking for a really nice Restomod 55 Chevy Bel-Air, you can visit us here at Ellingson Motorcars in Rogers, Minnesota. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Or you can go to our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can also find videos and other information on all our almost 100 car inventory at Instagram, YouTube, and our website as well. So thanks for visiting today. I thank you for taking a look at one of our nicest acquisitions that we got right here in Ellingson's in Rogers.